So we've just got to Marine Lines. The sun is about to go down, and I hope we get a nice chocker train. This is the entrance in here into the station. So I'm going to find the ticket counter. However, it does look pretty quiet at the moment, so I'm going to head to the ticket counter, get myself a ticket. Please, could I get a ticket to Bandra Junction? Cheers. Bandra Junction. Here we come. Platform 1, I believe. So it's feeling quite calm. I think the train just arrived. There we go. So it's currently quite empty. The train just got here. So we're going to get on board. We've got about a half an hour journey up to Bandra. Now, last time I got on board here, it was calm to begin with. Then it got chocker busy. So these carts are quite busy. People just waiting on the sides and they jump off before the train stops. Now, I'm gonna just get on up here if I can. We're in. Now we've got a while to go. So this is this carriage, which is pretty busy. I might try and move myself into a middle section, but we are moving now. Budge up, he says. So no seating. So to get off, they just barge the way through. As you'll see, some people here will jump off, maybe not, I don't know. So no one wants to get off of this stop. There is more space down there though. So we're still on board. It's still chaotic as ever. Just going to check we're on the right trajectory, because I didn't really look at the platform or ask anyone. Just got on board as you do. But still pretty damn busy. So here's a map of Mumbai, and we're heading up here to Bandra East. We're currently down here. So we've got a little bit of a journey, but the mission is going to be getting from this spot to the door. That's where the money's going to be made, getting off. So there it's always the toughest. And you've got about 40 seconds, that's all you've got. You've got to get off, and then whilst it's moving, barge through all these people and then get off, which should be fun. Really fun. Looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. And it's just a lot of men in these carriages. This kid's waving. Very friendly. So these guys look like they're making a move for it, so we're going to watch, see how they do it. So they've got to get through, look, they're all barging off, got them all ramming off. It's chaotic, and then getting back on board is just even more chaos. It's wild. Look. Look at the chaos. People getting pushed. Okay, they missed the stop. They didn't make it. They didn't get there. Are they going to try? They're going to keep trying. Well, it's impossible. It's just no. Damn. No, they've missed the stop. Unfortunately. So we won't follow from those guys. The tip is to really barge through, I think, and not fall off. That was crazy. That was absolutely crazy. Oh, we got it. Okay, so next up for getting off is this guy in the black t-shirt. Let's watch and see how he does it. We're at Matunga Road. We're going to see if this man can do the unimaginable and get himself off the moving train. Fingers crossed for him. Good luck out there, sir. I hope you make it, because they need to get off. The other son and father, they didn't manage it on the last stop. But I've got a lot of faith in this man. He looks like he knows what he's doing. The man who means business, assessing left, right, looking down. Is there a gap down there? No, he says. So we're approaching the station now. We can see the other trains. What have you got? I believe in you. Okay. Yeah, this will be my second time in India. So, where are you traveling right now? Just up to Bandra. Hopefully it won't be as busy at Bandra. Getting on and off.
Put your camera inside your bag, otherwise
someone will take it.
No one will take it, but it can fall down.
No, okay. It's alright, I need to hold it. I like to film. This man's trying to get out. It's a battle. He's gone through. He's through, he's battled through. Is your stop like that? No, he's not as busy. You're a lucky man. Look at how chaotic he is. And do you do this every day? Sometimes. Bandra's next. That's us. We should have moved up. So we've got to get off, which is chaotic and definitely injury prone. But we're moving up closer with this chap here. We're going to try and get off the train without causing havoc. Hopefully other people up here are getting off as well. Right, we're at Bandra. It's time to get off. Squeeze through. Squeeze through. And we get off. Phew. Chaotic. Look, everybody try to get on board. Squeezing on. Well done, brother. We got off. We did it. We did it. So we're here now at Bandra. And everybody's trying to get on. Hello, brother. Now we're getting coming out of Bandra train station. Something about... You're looking good, brother. Right, so we're at Bandra. The mosque is here, the skywalk, we've got the bus. It's a nice place. Hello brothers, have a look. Sam's Adventures. Only small channel. We get bigger, we're gonna get bigger.
No problem. We will support you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. All subscribe.
Yes.
It means the world. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Let's do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the best. All the best. Ciao. Hello, bro. How are you? Nice to meet you, brother. People wanting to stop and say hello. It's so nice. I always do it. Right. I messaged my man Abdullah, who took us to the slums yesterday, see if he fancied a ride, but I don't think he's about. So I'm going to try find a local tuk-tuk, see if someone wants to take me. Hey brother, you want to take a ride? Just to Pali? How much? On the meter?
On the meter.
Yeah, thank
Do
you.
you have change?
Do you want to go to Pali as well?
20 I get 20.
Huh?
20 rupees.
To Pali?
10.
No. It goes by the meter. So whatever the meter comes, he will
Okay,
charge you.
perfect.
10 hai.
No, he's asking you, do you have change with you?
Yeah, I have a little bit of change, yeah.
10 hai.
Do
Yeah,
you have 20 rupees to give him? So he'll adjust it in your meter.
I'll give him probably
Yeah, no,
50
he has-
rupees. So I had to go find some change, which I got. So I'm gonna hit a tuk-tuk now. And hopefully he does buy the meter for me. Oh. Brother. Do you want a ride? Oh, I'm with that guy. To Pali? Just to Pali? It's on the meter. Awesome. Thank you. What a day. What a day. We've been exploring the mosques, making noise in the background now. The people are out, it's busy everywhere. Some more markets here. We bought lots and lots of stuff today, and it's been an awesome day exploring. We hit up to Pali. Pali. You on, man?
Pali na ka.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Ciao.
Ayan sa 500 rupees lang ito.
Bye bye. So we're back, and that was 50 rupees we gave him. So we'll see what the grand total of the day is.